This monitor is sleek, sexy, and actually reliable. Three things your ex never was, but somehow has better color accuracy than your $1,500 laptop. This isn't sponsored. INNOCN gifted me a refurbished unit, no strings attached. This is my honest opinion. Now, is this the best portable OLED display you've never heard of? Let's unbox it, test it, and roast it respectfully. Meet the INNOCN 15A1F OLED Portable Monitor. In this review, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty to find out if the INNOCN is the travel monitor for creatives. We're testing if it can handle gaming marathons or a cheeky HDR Netflix binge on the go. And yeah, we need to talk about the missing headphone jack because it's 2025 and that still stings a little. Stick around because I've got thoughts and pixels. So many glorious pixels. All right, let's crack this open. A mix of surprises and shrugs. Inside this sleek, no-nonsense cardboard box from INNOCN, you get the INNOCN 15A1F OLED monitor. Arrived like it was avoiding paparazzi, wrapped up and protected, but not too spoiled. Inside the box, you'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable, a round of applause for not including any USB-A adapters from the Jurassic era, and a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, because clearly INNOCN wants this thing to play nice with just about anything. You also get a 45 watts power brick that's a bit on the chunky side, but hey, it gets the job done. And then nothing. No protective case, no microfiber sleeve, not even a polite little note that says, "Try not to drop me." For a monitor that's priced north of $300, I was expecting at least a simple carry pouch. INNOCN's vibe: we deliver beauty, you deliver responsibility. Let's be real, working on a single laptop screen in 2025 feels like trying to edit TikToks on a calculator. Your eyes strain, your workflow slows, and your posture turns into a croissant. You want something portable, sleek, and color accurate, but everything out there either looks like a toy or sounds like it's sponsored by a migraine clinic. Enter the INNOCN 15A1F, a 15.6-inch OLED monitor that's lighter than a small pizza but serves up a full-course visual feast. Let's talk specs before I get too hungry. Let's talk specs because this screen is bringing some serious heat. With a 1920 by 1080 resolution packed into a 15.6-inch panel, you're looking at 141 pixels per inch, sharp enough to make your eyes smile. And since it's OLED, each pixel lights itself up, delivering an infinite contrast ratio and blacks so deep they make your ex's heart look warm and fuzzy. Color coverage is wild: 100% DCI-P3, 99% Adobe RGB, and a mind-bending 178% sRGB volume. Translation: this screen makes your laptop display look like it's stuck running Windows 95 in grayscale, and with a 1 millisecond response time, visuals are smooth enough for casual gaming, pro-level photo editing, and watching planet Earth in what can only be described as visual nirvana. And for the gamers, no variable refresh rate, no VRR, and you're capped at 60 Hz. But unless you're a pro Apex player, it still feels snappy and clean. It even supports HDR10, kind of. It's not going to melt your face off with brightness, maxes out around 400 nits, but paired with OLED blacks, it's still one of the best portable HDR experiences under $500. Compared to other portables like the Asus ZenScreen or the Lepau displays, the INNOCN isn't just in another league, it's playing an entirely different sport. This thing gives you MacBook Pro vibes at Chromebook prices. Even compared to the Red Magic GM001J with its fancy quantum dot tech, the 15A1F wins in raw color volume. It's like putting a Ferrari engine in a smart car. It's that unexpectedly awesome. But wait, there's a catch. It uses PWM for brightness control below 20%. Translation: if you lower the brightness too much, it starts flickering like a haunted light bulb. If you're sensitive to that, keep it above 20% brightness, or wear sunglasses indoors like a tech YouTuber. And there's no headphone jack. So, Bluetooth gang, this is your moment. Everyone else start shopping for USB-C audio dongles. Now let's talk brand appeal, because if I were INNOCN's marketing team, I'd be dancing in OLED illuminated joy. This monitor has premium vibes, metal housing, solid kickstand, sharp visuals, and a minimalist design that screams, "Take me to your cafe workspace." For any brand out there thinking of sponsoring portable tech, this product is practically built to star in a video ad. It's clean, modern, and actually useful, a triple win. But let's keep it real, it's not all OLED rainbows and unicorns. The 60 Hz refresh rate might disappoint speed demons used to 120 or 240 Hz panels. There's also no built-in screen protector, which feels like an oversight for a travel-focused display. And those navigation buttons, Still, none of these quirks are deal breakers unless you're expecting a full desktop monitor experience from a portable OLED slab. In that case, you might want to reset your expectations and maybe your packing list. If you made it this far, you clearly appreciate good tech, or you're deeply bored at work. Either way, hit that like button like it's a snooze alarm. Subscribe for more unreasonably fun tech content. And if you're shopping for a portable OLED monitor that won't break the bank, check my affiliate links below. Yes, they're affiliate links. No, I won't pretend they aren't. Clicking them helps me make better videos and maybe afford a second INNOCN monitor for productivity. So is the INNOCN 15A1F the best portable OLED monitor right now? For creatives, travelers, or anyone tired of subpar side displays, absolutely. Just buy a sleeve or bubble wrap it like it's your firstborn. Comment below, what would you use a portable OLED monitor for? Travel gaming, photo editing, or just flexing on your coworkers at Starbucks? Until next time, stay sharp, stay portable, and don't forget to turn down your brightness, just not below 20%. Peace out.